Hello, traders, and welcome back to our session on weekly market update. So, let's first understand what's the pattern market is undergoing, or what's the trading in terms of trend. If you take this high, Nifty made this high. Post that, it took support at this low. So, this low we can consider, and the trend is sideways, and markets are range bound. Within this range, we have support at this level. So today Nifty tested that support, and it has shown what we can call a doji candle, which means support was tested. But whether the rally from here will originate or not, that we need further confirmation, which is break above today's high, which is Friday trading session's high, will take Nifty till the most recent high at 15,900. And over there you can expect a fresh breakout. This range, if you see, is from 15,400 odd levels to 15,900. It's approximately 350 to 400 points. So once it breaks out of this, we can see a breakout towards 16,200 odd levels. Right? So till this range is not breached, as a trader we are just trading this range. And on the Bollinger Band, if I plot Bollinger Band on the Nifty, whenever market goes sideways, the additional supportive tool as a traders we use prefer is Bollinger Band. If you see on the Bollinger Band, this is what you call a squeeze, which means that now prices has to break either on the upside or on the downside. And today's low was at the lower end of the Bollinger Band, and testing the lower end of the Bollinger Band, we can also consider it oversold. So on two occasions, market has tested lower band. In here, it went till the last high. Again today, market tested the lower end of the Bollinger Band. Right? So we can conclude that till this low 15,600 is not breached, market will make one more attempt to go past or to reach the recent highs, and there will again revisit. See, this compression now can't last for more. Market has to give a directional breakout, which means it has to break the band on the downside and show us a decline. It has to break the band on the upside and so show us a breakout. Fine. So right now the way things are positioned, a price tested the support, right, and it is moving higher. So we expect prices to test minimum the middle band, and once we see a break past this, the last high. So whenever prices are in a consolidation, a clear trade for a trader is either break above the high or below the low. In between, trade the range with a stop of 15,600 given today's candle all the way up till here. And once it reaches here, trail your stop loss tight. If it breaks this low, probably we are going to see a downside. But right now, given the conditions of charts and the prices based on trend analysis in sideways, in Bollinger Bands there is a compression. So the first support has held, and we are heading higher. The day moment it breaks this support, whether it's next week on any day, probably will test this low, and probably we are going to go lower because this compression will now give us a directional move. Break below this low or break above this high, and that's how the direction is going to come. So for a day or two, expect choppiness or a move, sideways price action. And once the Bollinger Band squeeze gets resolved by breaking on the upside or on the downside, that's where only you will get a clear directional. So right now, from the trading perspective and risk management, my stop loss is 15,600, and I'm trading for a rise again towards the last high, which is marked by this resistance around here. Twice it has tested this, right? So bulls and bears are fighting it out, which brings in always the added volatility and the strong intraday moves both on the upside as well as on the downside. So now let me remove all and we'll understand Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also like Nifty is range bound. It made a high over here. It just tested the high and declined. And within this band, the lower end of the band is somewhere here. But in between, Bank Nifty has this gap. Right? So this is a common gap. Why I'm saying it's a common gap? It's part of this consolidation. But from the trading perspective, the candle low along with the common gap is a support level. So with this as my risk management level, 34,630 levels, I am trading for a pullback or a, I wouldn't call it pullback or a move again, retest of these highs. And once Bank Nifty breaks this high, then only we can expect further moves. So it's a range bound movements, one day up, one day down, one day up, and you'll have to go in through this consolidation phase. Why? Because that's how prices behave in a range bound consolidation. So it's more of a swing traders delight sort of a market. When I say swing trader, those aggressive swing traders who are trading, not taking trade for more than 1 to 2 days, sort of a holding, they can take this twist and turn in prices within the consolidation. So our risk is clearly defined. Nifty at today's low, Bank Nifty at 34,600. And let's see whether it's breaking this. If it breaks this upside, we'll have a breakout and a fresh leg up. If it breaks this, probably again we'll take a retest of this low, but we'll have to then conclude that 1, 2, 3 test of the resistance, and still if it's not breaking out, that means short-term weaknesses can surface. So now let's plot Bollinger Band on the price charts and see what the bands are showing for Bank Nifty. For Nifty, it was showing compression. See, the same holds true for Bank Nifty, but it has closed above the middle end of the band. So, and this resistance has been tested multiple times. So once again, looks like we are heading to test this resistance. But for a clear move or a strong up move, which can take us to these highs, which are the all-time highs around Bank Nifty, we need a break past this high, or it's just a trading bounce to and fro movements from this low to this high, or from this high to this low, and market might take another 2 to 3 days to clearly decide which side is going to break. But for a trading perspective, I place my stop here, and since I have seen a reversal candle with a long tail and a small body, which tells me that once again we are likely to go and test the resistance levels on the upside. So now let me remove the Bollinger Bands and plot the Nifty and the Bank Nifty side by side for you as a traders to take a view on it, right? So this is Nifty, this is Bank Nifty. So ignore this Cipla written here, some error is there. So even Nifty till these lows are not violated, we are once again heading towards this highs. Once these highs are breached, then only expect further uptrend or the to and fro consolidation will continue. Same way for Bank Nifty. See, it has just taken support at the midway of the consolidation band, which was Nifty at this support. And for Bank Nifty, this is the consolidation band with respect to this high over here and with respect to this low over here, right? So first part, we have seen this support level testing and holding, right? So that becomes your immediate stop loss in Nifty 15,600. For Bank Nifty, the support level was tested and it was held. So these are the two key levels. Once it breaks this, then it opens up space on the downside all the way till the lower end of the band. But a break of this will not only say the lower band of the band, but it will also signal that the short term picture for the broad market is weakening. Right? So take your trading decisions accordingly. Charts are very well defined, clearly defined. Both resistance in Bank Nifty and Nifty tested multiple times. It is first test, second test, third test. After third test, either it surrenders completely or breaks out. So probably next week is going to be very decisive for the markets. Same way for Bank Nifty. It formed this resistance. It had a first test, second test, third test. Now again it's heading up till there. So decisive for the first one or two trading sessions with a stop of levels which are mentioned there, 15,600 on Nifty and 36,000, 34,600 on Bank Nifty. It's going to make one more attempt to touch this resistance. Let's see if breakout happens or not. If breakout happens, we'll see a fresh surge in price, or else this range will continue for a day or two, and the squeeze on the Bollinger Band says that next week will be decisive. So trade for the first move till here in two trans. First move till here, trail your stop losses tight. If this high is break, then further long. If this high is breached on Bank Nifty, which is 35,834, then only we can aim at higher target. So market is stuck in a range. Bulls and bears are fighting it out. We have a clear-cut risk management levels as well as support levels, and it's a sideways. We are trading a sideways consolidation and a choppy market, which is likely to remain one day up and one day down till we don't see a decisive breakout. So that's all for the weekly update. I hope you liked and enjoyed the session or the video.